It's the Handiemon. You got projects big or small, you give us a call. We do them all. So what we've got here is about 450 feet of fence that separates a railroad track from a new housing development here. So I was tasked to come out and repair this fence. You can see all these different holes that have been knocked through this fence here. That's from kids throwing rocks through the fence. So what we had to do is we had to move the old panels and make it all one complete fence. So what we're doing here is we're disassembling the fence. We're gonna then take out these corrugated pieces and move them to the north. And then we're gonna build up a fence from the north side headed south with these old style panels because they don't make these any longer. It's not like I could just remove the old style and put in newly manufactured stuff. So we had to move it. And that's actually what we're doing here is we're disassembling the fence. Now we're moving it. Good panels are going to the north there. We're gonna reassemble it so we have one solid piece of that style of fencing. As you can see here, we got a little bit of rain, but you got a job to do, you got to get her done. Here we are going ahead and putting in the new manufactured stuff. This is same color, just a little bit different vinyl fencing. And you'll see here in a minute how it actually matches up very, very nicely. Yeah, we've got it all put back together now. We're putting on the top rail, clicking it into place, getting it all secured, making sure that everything is good to go and fits nice and tight. Here it is, all completed now. All those holes are gone. Everything is put back together. It looks really, really nice, really, really sharp, and we're able to save the owners a ton of money by doing it this way. On the left is the old fence. On the right is the new style, new manufactured. You can see it there. So it's all good, very, very nice. Be sure and like and subscribe.